with a she. When he realized he had a Trojan slip, his next sentence started with a he. So everybody thought it was Ate Grace. I was so busy eating the marshmallows in front kasi gutom na po ako hindi pa naman pwede kumain. But I was listening to what Arlie was saying. The later that night, when I was outside the gym, by the photo booth, nagpapahalit kasi pinili ko sa loob, he came to me and dropped the news. Sir, kung maliwanag yung gabing yun, malamang nakita mo unti-unting na-drain ang dugo sa mukha. Buti na lang naka-lipstick ko ngayon. Truth be told, I was more shocked than happy, more scared than excited. Sa loob-loob ko, ang bulay. Hindi pa man napiinit ko sa federal ay nalipat na naman ako at sa pwesto sigurado magagamit ko ang health card ko. Sabi ni Arlie during this message, last year, parang nag-uuna na si Arlie Al at si A.R. Rodriguez sa hospital. Buti na lang natin pa may health card na ako. I honestly felt that I might be too young, too raw, too inexperienced to handle such a daunting position. I am quite aware of the magnitude of the tasks and the weight of the responsibility that the assistant regional director bears on his shoulder. And at that very moment, I honestly did not think or feel worthy of the position. Plus the fact na mahirap sumunod sa yakap ni Arlie Al. Arlie Gilbert said a lot of good things to me that night that led him to that recommendation. But I could not process them that time. I simply could not. The only emotion I felt was fear. Sabi ko nga kayo lang ata sa ibang pasto eh. Ang bigat ang emotion ko. During the lengthy holiday that followed, I had plenty of time to think over many plates of spaghetti, lechon, cake, wine, and margarita. And I prayed hard, and included sa panalangin ko na walang mangyari sa recommendation ni Arlie. So, wala pa. But then again, I realized, maybe it's not just my middle name. Maybe Arlie's recommendation was because of my performance too. Maybe it's due to my good management skills too. Maybe it's all the other good things others see that I cannot. Sabi nga maybe my name on the door, but I could never have done what I have accomplished without the support and assistance of the best men and women I have had the pleasure of working with in the field. Now with this new assignment, I am excited to be working with a remarkable personnel of technical services who are very reliable and always gratifying to work with. Our highly competent division chiefs whose commitment to delivering quality government service is admirable, inspire the likes of me to strive to be better and do better all the time. And finally, what silenced my doubts and fears is the realization that support and guidance has always been extended to me and my office by Arlie, ARD, now Arlie Al, and ARD Arnel, and the key personnel of the regional and field offices. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for the trust and confidence. Right here and now, I promise to do as I've always done, which is to give my best and perform as well as I can. I am giving my 100% commitment to this position, lalo na dahil wala namang ibang gustong mag-commit sa akin. Alam niyo na kung ano. For now, we will continue with what Arlie Carol has started. I hope you can look past my middle name or my age. I hope your assessment of me and my capabilities will be based on my previous and present performance and part in this endeavor. My office is open to those needing assistance